Before you buy any cheap fishing rod, there's one thing no product page tells you. Most of them break on the first big catch. But the real issue isn't price, it's whether the rod actually handles real fishing pressure without snapping or failing when you need it most.
Product number 1, MNCIR ICE TOO 6.9 foot combo. This MNCIR ICE TOO 6.9 foot telescopic combo comes with 2 rods, 2 spinning reels, a carrier bag, and even some lures, all for under $40. Right away, the green color and compact design stand out, especially if you're someone who wants everything in one box without extra shopping. The fiberglass build gives it solid backbone for boss fishing, and the included 3000 size reels have a smooth drag system that actually holds up during tugs. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're heading out on weekend trips or teaching a friend to fish, having 2 full setups ready to go saves time and money. The guide rings are reinforced with epoxy resin, which means less line fraying over time, and the collapsible design fits easily in a car trunk or backpack. Now, some people complained about the nylon material feeling a bit flimsy compared to full carbon fiber. Here's the thing though, for casual freshwater fishing and light tackle, it's more than enough, and the included accessories make up for the slight drop in premium feel. This is perfect for you if you want a complete beginner-friendly kit without spending over $50. Skip this one if you're targeting large saltwater species or need ultra-sensitive tip feedback. For the price and what's included, it's a steal.
Product number 2, Placino Carbon Fiber Combo. If the MNCRS2's nylon build didn't feel sturdy enough, this Placino model steps up with a carbon fiber and fiberglass hybrid rod that's both lightweight and tough. And it's only $31. That's wild for what you get. The rod comes in multiple lengths, but the 2.1 meter version is ideal for bass and trout, and the stainless steel reel seat resists corrosion even if you accidentally take it into brackish water. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 5.2-to-1 gear ratio and deep aluminum spool let you cast farther and retrieve faster, which is huge when you're trying to cover more water in a short trip. The EVA grip stays comfortable even after hours of use, and the anti-reverse switch gives solid hook sets. Now, some people complain that it doesn't come with lures or line, just the rod and reel. Here's the thing though, if you already have tackle or prefer to choose your own, this lets you customize without paying for extras you don't need. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, portable rod for freshwater and light saltwater use without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're a complete beginner who needs everything included. At this price, it's one of the best value combos out there.
Product number 3, Zebco 202 and 404 2-pack. That was a solid spinning option, but if you're new to fishing or hate tangled lines, this Zebco 2-pack might actually be even better for hassle-free casting. You get 2 spin cast combos, one with a 30 size reel and 10-pound line, the other a 40 size with 15 pounds, perfect for everything from panfish to bigger bass. The patented no-tangle design means fewer frustrations, especially for kids or first-timers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The push-button release is simple enough for a 10-year-old to master, but the all-metal gears and stainless steel parts mean it won't fall apart after a few uses. Plus, both rods are pre-spooled, so you can hit the water immediately. Now, some people complain that spin cast reels aren't as smooth or controllable as spinning reels for long casts. Here's the thing though, for calm lakes, ponds, or family outings, ease of use beats precision every time. This is perfect for you if you want reliable, beginner-friendly gear that just works. Skip this one if you're chasing trophy fish or fishing in windy conditions. For under $45, getting 2 trusted combos from a brand that's been around since 1949 is hard to beat.
Product number 4, Kodak Kids Fishing Set. If the Zebco is great for beginners, this Kodak Kids set takes it a step further with a full starter kit designed specifically for children. You get 2 telescopic rods, spin cast reels, a tackle box with lures, a folding net, 2 buckets, and even a carry bag, all for $42. The 4.92-foot length and lightweight glass fiber build are perfect for small hands, and the EVA handle won't slip even when wet. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're planning a family fishing trip, having 2 complete kid-sized setups means no sharing, no fighting, and more actual fishing time. The included lures are basic but effective for bass and sunfish, and the net makes landing fish way less stressful for little anglers. Now, some people complained that the line weight is light, only 4 to 6 pounds, so bigger fish might be tricky. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant for monster catches. It's for building confidence and joy in young fishermen.
This is perfect for you if you want a fun, all-in-one gift for birthdays or summer adventures. Skip this one if you're shopping for teens or adults. For the price and everything included, it's a no-brainer for parents.
Product number 5, Placino Full Kit with Case. If you want the most complete package with premium touches, this Placino Full Kit includes a high-density 24-ton carbon fiber rod, a 12+1 bearing spinning reel, line, lures, hooks, and a hard carrier case, all for $41. The 8.86-foot length gives you serious casting distance, and the ceramic guide inserts reduce friction for smoother line flow. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The CNC machined aluminum reel seat and corrosion-resistant bearings mean this setup can handle both freshwater and occasional saltwater trips without rusting up. The collapsible handle and full metal gears add durability that cheaper kits often lack. Now, some people complain that the case feels a bit bulky compared to soft bags. Here's the thing though, if you're traveling or storing gear long-term, the extra protection is worth the slight inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want a do-it-all rod that feels more advanced than its price suggests. Skip this one if you need something ultra-light for backpacking. For under $42, this is easily one of the best value full kits on the market.
So which one should you grab? If you want 2 full setups fast, go MNCI Risato. Need something lightweight and corrosion-resistant? Placino's carbon fiber model wins. For beginners or kids, Sebco and Kodak are unbeatable for ease and fun. And if you want the most complete kit with premium feel, that second Placino with the hard case is the dark horse. All 5 deliver real performance under $50. Just pick the one that fits your style.